tell of young women who dressed as soldiers or sailors in order to stay close to a man they loved. Several such stories are known to be true. Deborah Sampson was a 21-year-old from Massachusetts. She disguised herself as a man and served in the Continental Army. When she was wounded in battle, she cut the musket ball out of her own thigh, so she wouldn't have to go to a doctor who might have discovered her secret. When she came down with fever, then another doctor did see her. He took her home. He and his wife took care of her, and they preserved her secret identity. Now, of course, many women had responsibilities. They had children, homesteads to care for, and so they stayed home and they just worried about their soldier boys.